Ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka na ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Njirwa Muigai wa Njoroge ni aremwo ni kuhitha gikeno giake ni undu wa ndeto igi family yake. Ndeto akorwo agishare muthenya umwe tu before akorwo agikungwira Mother's Day, na itanatenderithia ndeto eno makiria toria Jerry akorwo akimishare kuri followers zake guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria. Ndeto igi daughter wake, her firstborn daughter Makigite na Muigai wa Njoroge kuona hamwe they are parents to 4 kids. Njitikiria nyambe gucokeria ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa guthie na mbere kunyitanira na ithuĩ na gutigirira ati hingo ciothe ni wamukira video citu. Jerry augite ati her firstborn daughter who she birthed ari na miaka minini muno, even without knowing how to properly be a mom. Ni kairetu gakurite na nginya we gakorwo gakimumenyerera ona ari muciari wako, akiuga she is like her younger sister. Maundu maria Jerry agikorwo agishare na njira ya gikeno kinene guku social media, akiuga your wisdom is on another level, your reasoning and understanding is heavenly, you are like my little sister and my best friend. Shuge ngemu muno Jerry atariria ciĩgiĩ her daughter orere she is celebrating her daughter's birthday, na agikorwo akiwish kairetu gake na Muigai wa Njoroge birthday ya mwanya muno, kuona ni muthenya umwe akorwo nake agi celebrate Mother's Day, and this birthday comes at a time she's remembering ati ni muciari mutiku muno. Jerry ndetigithagia guku nenda-ini kuonania ciana ciake, ciana iria augaga ati ona maundu mothe magithiaga uru, kiu ni kiundu kimwe gia gwitwo muciari, gia gwitwo nyina wa mundu. Etiagira muno Karagũ wa Muraya na Jerry fans ni makorwo makinyitanira nake ku wish her daughter a happy birthday. Ona ithuĩ tukanyitanira nao kumutumira birthday wishes ngemu muno. Arokora akiendagwo ni Ngai makiria ona andu nagie na riri na ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. Thiĩ na mbere na kwĩrorera video citu, tucemanie na our next video.